Magnolia coach Chito Victolero's faith in Romeo Travis never wavered after the import was held to a PBA career-low 12 points in Wednesday's Game 3 of their PBA Governors Cup semifinal series against Ginebra. Travis went 5 of 17 from the field in Magnolia's 107-103 loss to Ginebra, but Victolero insisted Travis is not to blame for the defeat. He pointed out that the import grabbed 10 rebounds and scored the 4 points that got the Hotshots within 103-101. "I think dumadating sa isang player yun," said Victolero. "Yung last 2 possessions, sa kanya. Kumbaga dalawang shoot naming huli, galing kay Romeo. He also got his rebounds and his assists. Napapansin lang yung points pero yung ibang aspects, nandon siya, defense, leadership, everything." If there was someone to blame, Victolero said it should be him. Hindi mo pwedeng iano blame sa kanya yung game. "Sa akin yun. Ako may kasalanan," said Victolero, who was ejected from Game 3. "See Romeo naman, always go hard on every single possession. It's a total team effort. Hindi naman kasalanan ng isa o ilang players yan. Kasalanan ko yun. Let's move on. It's my fault, and let's look forward for Game 4.